Hello, dear viewers. Today I'll show you how to extend the battery life of your iPhones. Brightness settings. The first step is to optimize your brightness settings. You can start saving battery by setting your screen brightness to automatic. App updates. Remember, keeping your apps up to date is important for both security and battery savings. Background apps. Apps running in the background can negatively impact battery life. Check the apps you've allowed to run in the background. Screen time and usage. Monitoring. Screen time and usage can increase battery life. Consider reducing screen time. Power-hungry apps. To find out which apps consume the most battery, go to Settings and to Battery. Essential services. Turn on Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular data services only when you need them. Don't leave them on unnecessarily. Automatic sync. Check automatic sync for apps like email and calendar. Reducing automatic sync can save battery. Dark mode. Using dark mode can help save battery. Dark and black colors consume less power. Battery health. Finally, check your battery health. Low battery health may require you to consider a battery replacement. These are some fundamental tips you can use to extend your iPhone's battery life. By following these guidelines, you can increase your device's battery life. Keep in mind, these tips are just a starting point. Experiment to achieve the best results. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.